We're here today to celebrate language, and language is a critical component of the culture, which is why my colleagues from the Regional English Language Office in Jakarta are excited to be working with the team of Basa Bali to show how teaching methods can be used to promote literacy and creative writing in English. And they can also be used to help young people develop those same skills in both Balinese and Indonesian language.
Utamanya saya sebagai guru termotivasi sekali atas kegiatan ini, atas workshop yang diberikan oleh Relo untuk saat ini. Jadi dengan demikian saya merasa mendapat ide ataupun mendapat gagasan-gagasan baru bagaimana sih saya mengajar di kelas dengan metode writing or reading seperti itu.
When Relo started talking with Basa Bali about doing workshops together, we were thinking about the locations that we needed to go. And obviously when anybody comes to Bali, they start in Denpasar. And then it's harder though for teachers who are in other areas of the island to get access to workshops like this. So we decided, it's a partnership, right? And so we listened to Basa Bali's request, and we think that's smart. We think you need to not just be working in Denpasar, but also working with teachers outside the main urban centers, right, to reach kids in other parts of the island where Balinese probably is much more relevant in their daily lives. More importantly, though, our friends at Basa Bali have been working to create their wiki and their Lu Ayu Manik Max comics. And these are what have inspired us to organize this event.
I'm really impressed with the event today. First, I really love that there's no plastic. And I also like that we can focus on using Basa Bali books in our teaching, which I did in Manado.
Niki momentum menawi titiang ring prodi sastra Bali penggiat Basa Bali nenten ajrih duaning napi duaning Basa Bali nenten je mangiring Bali manten nenten je diminati oleh orang Bali manten nenten je diperhatikan oleh orang Bali manten taler dunia sani memperhatikan.